Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to activate the Don't Disturb mode in the Samsung S20. To do this operation, slide your upper bars 2 times and search for option Don't Disturb mode here. Tap it and press it, and as you see you have few options to here, and you can turn it on right now immediately. You can turn on absolute and settings by date and time. As you see, you can set the duration of the Don't Disturb mode until one turn it on 1 hour on ask every time. Hide notification, so you can choose option of notification in Don't Disturb mode, and you can of course allow expansion about calling, repeat callers and alarms of your phone. So you can of course enable it Don't Disturb mode by single press it, or single press it to deactivate it. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!